Hi children, good morning. Take your course book children, all of you. Open page number 65. Our new lesson name is safety. Take your course book children, page number 65. This is your EVS class. Our new lesson name is safety. S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety. Okay children, in this picture, what happened? One boy is reading and going opposite to moving car. Yes or no? Yes. Is it safety for him? No. It is not safety for him. It is very dangerous. Yes. See children, next picture. In this picture, what was he doing? He is putting her fingers into the switchboard. It is safety for him? No, wrong. It is very danger for him. See children, next picture. In this picture, how many boys are there? 2 boys. What are they doing? They are doing or playing with matchbox. Yes, they are playing with fire. Is it safety for them? No. It is very dangerous for them. So, in these pictures, are these children doing the right acts? No. They are too dangerous. We have to take care of ourselves when we are on the road, at home and school and in buses and also in trains. Turn the next page children. Here see children, safety on road. Safety rules when we are walking on the road. Here see, never play or run on the road children. Remember it ma. Never play on the road or never run on the road. Always keep to the left side of the road and walk on the footpaths or pavements. Yes children, we should always walk on the left side of the road only or footpath or pavements. Remember it children. Next, safety rule on the road. Here see children, they are crossing the road. Yes, but it is safety for them. Is it safety for them? No. Use foot over bridge for crossing the road. If there is no foot over bridge, use the zebra crossing. Take the help of elders while crossing a busy road children. Don't panic. Okay children. Use foot over bridge for crossing the road. See children, next picture. In this picture, one boy is standing or relaxing behind the parked car. Is it correctly? Is it correct? Is it safety for him? No. So, the safety rule on the road is don't stand or relax behind parked vehicles. Do not stand or relax behind parked vehicles. Remember it children. The 4th rule when we are walking on the road. See here children. It is a manhole. Yes or no? So, you should walk on the footpaths carefully. Look for ditches. Look for potholes, ditches, manholes and walk carefully children. When we are walking, walk carefully ma. We must see everything on the road. You have to be more careful when it rains. Okay children, when rain is coming, Should say carefully and walk. Next picture. Here see children, one unknown thing is there. He is taking that one. Another man is saying to that boy, don't take. What it means, ma? Look for things which are left unattended. Don't go near them or even touch them. When any unknown persons put any things on the road, don't touch that things. What we are doing in the time? Report them to an adult immediately. Report them to adult immediately. Children, don't take that type of things on the road. This is the safety on road, children. Never play and run. And also you should walk on the left side of the road only. And also on the footpaths or pavements. Use here children, foot over bridge for crossing the road. Use foot over bridge for crossing the road, children. Here, don't panic. Take the help of elders while crossing a busy road, children. Next, do not stand or relax behind parked vehicles. Do not stand or relax behind parked vehicles, children. Don't play behind parked vehicles, ma. Next, look for potholes, ditches and manholes when we are walking on the footpaths. See carefully and walk, children. You have to be more careful when it rains. Next, when we are walking on the footpaths or on the road, don't touch any unknown things. Okay, in the time you report to an adult immediately, children. Don't take that type of things, children. Okay, don't touch them. Look for things which are left unattended. Do not go near them. Do not go near them or even touch them. Do not touch them, children. The type of things you must report to an adult immediately. Okay, children, next page. Safety at home. Safety at home. See here, children, in this picture, what he was doing? He is playing near the electric switchboard. So, don't play. It is safety for him. Is it safety for him? No. So, the safety rule at home is never play with electric wires and equipment. Don't touch electric switchboards or appliances with wet hands. Remember it, children, carefully, ma. Remember it. It is very important, ma. Don't touch with wet hands. Don't touch with wet hands. Electric switchboards or appliances, don't touch with wet hands. Okay, children, never play with electric wires and equipment. See, children, next picture. Here, what he was doing? He was doing playing with sharp objects like knife, fork, etc. So, never play with sharp objects. Safety rule at home is never play with sharp objects. Remember it, children. Next picture is he is running down the stairs. It is safety, children, for him? No. So, never run down the stairs. Never run down the stairs. See, children, what is this picture? In this picture, one boy is peep out in the balcony or windows. Never peep out from the balcony or windows. Okay, children, don't do like this, ma. Never peep out from the balcony or any windows. See children, next picture. Here, one boy is playing near water tank. It is safety for him. Is it safety? No. So, never play near the water tank. At home, never play near the water tank. Next picture. Do not play near the gas stove. Here, that boy is playing near the gas stove. Is it safety for him? No, it is very danger. It is very danger to him. So don't play children, don't play near the gas stove. See children, listen carefully ma. Safety at home, when we are at home, we should follow these safety rules, must and should. Never play with electric wires and equipments, and don't touch electric switchboards with wet hands. Next one, never play with sharp objects. Third one is never run down the stairs. Never run down the stairs. Next, never peep out from the balcony. Never peep out from the balcony or any other type of windows. Never play near the water tank. Never play near the water tank children. Remember it. Don't play near the gas stove. Don't play near the gas stove children. Children, learn these spellings ma. Safety on road. S-A-F-E-T-Y safety. O-N on. R-O-A-D road. Safety on road. Next one. Footpaths. F-O-O-T foot. P-A-T-H-S paths. Footpaths. Next one. P-A-V-E-M-E-N-T-S pavements. P-A-V-E-M-E-N-T-S pavements. Next. B-R-I-D-G-E bridge. B-R-I-D-G-E bridge. Next. Z-E-B-R-A zebra. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G crossing. Zebra crossing. Bridge, zebra crossing. Okay children. Next. Vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S vehicles. Here P-A-N-I-C panic. Panic means భయపడడం children. P-A-N-I-C panic. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S vehicles. Next. P-O-T-H-H-O-L-E-S potholes. P-O-T-H P-O-T-H-O-L-E-S potholes. Next one. Ditches. D-I-T-C-H-E-S ditches. Next one. Manholes. M-A-N-H-O-L-E-S manholes. Next one. Immediately. I-M-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y immediately. I-M-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y immediately. See children, safety on road, footpaths, pavements, bridge, zebra crossing, panic, vehicles, potholes, ditches, manholes and immediately. Learn these spellings children and write down in your rough notebook each one 5 times children. We will meet again in next class. Thank you children. Bye.